Hello guys, now today we are going to look at this amazing website as you can see from the screen. Now let me show you around. This is one page portfolio website. Okay, it is very stunning, very beautiful website. Now let's go down and let me show you around. See this, the skills, something about me. We have social media icon here where you can reach me, and also the services. Okay, and then the services, as you can see, is carousel. Okay, it's moving. So, and then let's go down. We have call to action, so you can just click here, and then we have portfolio. When you put a mouse on it, then you'll be able to see or read more about the project. Okay, yes, and all these are sample of the work that I have done. Okay, and I have my picture here and also testimonials. Okay, about happy clients. Okay, as you can see, it's very beautiful. And then these are some of the packages. Okay, something like packages. Okay, so that is a pricing plan. Okay, as you can see, I have something. Okay, and we have the logos. Okay, the logo of my client. Okay, so I can just navigate through it, and down here we have the contact form. Okay, and this is the contact form, and that is, you can reach me here, my phone number, email, and then my office number. You can also reach me through this contact form. Okay, good. Let's go down here and Google Map to show my location. As you can see, Irida Digital, and this is Irida Digital. Okay, you can click on it just to locate. Okay, so just direction or something of that sort. Okay, so that's Google Map. Okay, good. And that's the footer, very simple and nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get this amazing website.